Hi kids, I'm your teacher Tashween. I hope you all doing well. Today I'm here for your another English lecture, and today's lecture is all about Unit 8. What can you do? Kids, let's start from student book page number 84. We are going to watch this video.
Yes.
Woo!
1,
Woo!
2,
Woo!
3,
Woo!
4.
Benny! Wake up! I can hop! Can you count?
Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wake up! Look! I can throw the ball! Whoops!
Whoa.
It's okay. I can jump. Thank you, Fifi.
Kids, we can learn some vocabulary words from this video. So here we go. Throw, hop, count, jump, blow bubbles, roll a hoop. Now kids, we are going to do our page from activity book, that is page number 72. Kids, here is page number 72 from your activity book, and you can see in this page two pictures are given, and these pictures are giving us a message to value others' achievement. So we must appreciate others' achievement, kids, and you have to color this page. So kids, you also have to draw smiley or sad face on these pictures as well, and I hope you like today's lecture. Complete this page and take care of yourself. Take care kids, and bye bye.